day to everybody. Today's Wednesday. I just got done working. Oh man, I edited a pretty intense vlog. I was not settled about my vlog. And I wasn't sure how much of my life I wanted to share on the internet. And then I said, whatever, let's share it all. So it is out there. If you're watching this content, the one I'm talking about is out there. So maybe you guys can go backwards and watch my content. It is 12:40 p.m. The kids are all at school, but they're going to be home in less than an hour. And I'm starving, trying to figure out what to eat, but nothing sounds good. Oh, I hate this feeling. I settled for some cuties in a bowl. And all my fruit always has to have some sort of seasoning on it. So I'm doing this Hispanic seasoning. It's called Tajín. Add a good chunk of it in here. A lot of it, really. And I'm going to sit and really do nothing for the next little while. So Silas's reading log needs to be filled out. The thing about us is that we actually read more than 10 books a month. The only negative thing is that we forget to record it. So you guys know that Ryan's dad takes the twins to the library, and these are the books that Silas got this week, or I guess last week. And something under, I think this is one of the boys' books. Yeah, definitely. What is this one? Incredible Origami. I think that's one of the twins. This is Silas's also, and it's one of the twins's, and of course a word search. I think this is one of the twins's books that they rented also. All right, so Silas has 3 books here. We've already read this to him. I just need to record this in the school log for him. Our Wednesdays get a little bit crazy, so what I am doing is I'm going to be taking Silas's homework outside along with his library books, because the twins are going to go to the library with my father-in-law. And also Silas takes a nap, but he also wants to play outside, so I try to allow him to be a kid as much as possible. His homework is spread out throughout the week, so he can do it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then it's supposed to be turned in on Friday. But some days, like yesterday, gets a little bit crazy for us because he has drum lessons, and then we like to play volleyball, and then there's also soccer. So he doesn't get to touch his homework at least one day out of the week. So we usually will play catch up on Wednesday. But then he's only 6 and he fights himself to not take a nap. But he also needs a nap because he's just like his mom. You just, you know, gotta slow down sometimes. And we gently remind him by giving him a nap that, buddy, when you wake up, you're a whole new person. So I'm gonna try to make it as fun as possible for him and allow him to be able to do his homework outside. So that way he gets to play outside, be outside, and also take a nap too. Hi, my son. How are you? Playing in the bushes?
What are you doing?
Playing in the bushes. Come on. Come on. How was your day? I was so occupied this morning, and with it being a minimum day for the kids, I didn't get to come out here and water my plants. So I'm doing that. I cleaned up the garage a little bit, and Malachi wanted to help me, so he's sweeping up a whole pile of sunflower seeds that I dropped, along with like a whole bunch of leaves and stuff. Thank you, son. And then he wants to stretch out his legs because he said that my father-in-law has a 2-door car, so when he went to piano lessons and back, he was like kind of stuck in the back seat, huh, buddy? So he asked to help. Oh yeah, true. And then just the ice chest, if you want to help more, we can. There's Capri Suns in there and water. We can just put that in that area where the drinks go. Right when you walk, you just grab it and I'll show you. Okay? Thanks. All right. Who's playing?
Me and Malika. Malachi's black, I'm red.
Okay.
Dun, 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 dun.
We got a cheerleader over there, and Grandpa is the supervisor. How are they doing, Dad?
Jonah, move this.
No comment.
Okay.
What does that mean? You can jump.
He doesn't want to say how horrible you're doing, so he's gonna stick with no comment.
I could do something good.
But when you guys are done playing, Grandpa will tell you
You can do that.
the moves.
Stop it.
So let's let them play, okay? Hey, how was your nap?
Good.
Did you show Grandpa your lip?
You ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! What is this thingy? It's Easter? I got the same thing. Chocolate.
That's-
It's orange. Chocolate orange? Is it?
Open it and see.
Those are good. They look like they peel, huh, Grammy?
This could be a dessert.
Can be. Oh, Bubby and your lip.
Usually there's a key tab.
Maybe you should open one. Let's Malachi open it and you guys taste it. We don't need 3 of them open at the same time, you know?
No. Yeah. Now, how do you get it? Did you have any instructions on that box?
I know how to open it.
Let Kai open it and
Wait,
see if
just
you
leave
like
Just
it.
leave
Don't
it. Just
open
leave
yours
it.
yet.
Don't open yours. Kai opened his already. And having 3 of them open at the same time. Let's just savor
That's-
one.
Yeah.
It's whack and unwrapped. It's what
You
and
have
unwrapped?
to hit it.
Yeah.
In the wrap.
Ready?
3,
Mm-hmm.
2. You guys can see too.
Oh, I was hit
Ow.
by a piece of chocolate in the eye.
Actually, you take the
You-
chocolate.
I think you go. I
Yeah,
think
you
you do
do.
like. Can I
Like
see?
that?
Can I see it?
Let him do
Like
it.
that.
Ready?
There you go. Now
I
open
think
it.
I heard it swing.
There you go.
Let's see.
And now,
Okay, so it's your turn.
Wait, no, we're not gonna. That's what we're saying is that we're not gonna open all of those.
Ready? Does
And
it
then-
actually have orange in it?
No, it tastes like orange. So would you guys? Would you like to share with the rest of the family or just eat it yourself?
Take one, pass it.
Silas is no longer available. He's in chocolate heaven.
It tastes
Conchibolo
like
boys.
mint chocolate. Thank you.
Welcome.
You're welcome.
I would like 1 slice of chocolate, please.
Took a bite, and now I'm filled up. I don't know where you are tonight. 'Cause you're right, I've been starving and now I don't know what to do tonight. But I've been feeling like you're pretty easy to like. When your body is closer to mine, you got me feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving it? Spending every minute together. I found it quite odd, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. I took a bite, and now I need more. I don't know how to make this right. 'Cause you're right, yeah, you're right. We are going too fast, but no, I don't know how to stop. But I've been feeling like you're pretty easy to like. When your body is closer to mine, you got me feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving it? Spending every minute together. I found it quite odd, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire, fire, fire. 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 You fuel my fire. Let's keep this fire.